Hey, what's up, guys? Okay, so the Nintendo Labo came out like forever ago, and I finally got it. Figure out how to open it. Oh, damn it, I need something sharp. Scissors, yeah. Aha! Aha! Oh man, all it is cardboard. Make, play, discover. It all starts with your first Toy-Con project. So start up the game and get creating. Okay. Damn it, I need scissors again. First, we'll practice. Oh, come on. Welcome to Nintendo Labo. We'll start with make practice. Hold forward to make the video play. Release the button to pause. Make a Joy-Con holder. Let me turn that down. I didn't realize how obnoxious it was. Remove just this one part from sheet light bulb thing. Yeah, you think that's it? Oh, that's A. That's an A? I guess that is an A. Okay, so we're starting with some cardboard. Be careful not to bend anything. Hold forward to make the video play. What? If this is so hands-on, why are they making me hold this button? Oh yeah. Oh. Oh.
Oh.
Yay. Holding forward. We'll use the other pieces later. In the meantime, store it in the box. It's a good idea to keep the console charging. Yeah, okay. That's what I'm doing. With the adjustable charging stand for the Nintendo Switch.
Why is it doing that?
Click the eye in the top right corner to see that video where I unboxed it and reviewed it. Oh. Oh, this is riveting. Oh. Oh. I'm so nervous.
I'm gonna make sure it's good.
Be sure to push the Joy-Con all the way down. Can you see the button in the back? I can. It's right there. That's it for practice. Thank
That was
goodness.
practice?
Yeah, that was the tutorial. On to the real thing. I bought this for one reason and one reason only. To build the motorbike. Because I am unnaturally obsessed with Mario Kart, and that is compatible with it.
Yeah.
Alright.
Give him a tour of your room.
Yeah. A lot of Mario Kart stuff around here. What were you saying about your mom?
No, I was gonna say she came in and she looked around and she goes, like she's just very confused and she goes, oh, Mario Brothers.
Yeah, I like Mario.
And
I'm actually gonna take this hat off. It's hot.
To reveal your sexy hairstyle.
Alright, making the left handlebar. Remove these 7 pieces from sheet A and B.
What is that?
Okay, so from sheet A, there's something...
It's pointing... Oh, what the hell is that? Oh, it's a person. Maybe? Oh, wait, that's B, isn't it? I don't like this. Is it the motorbike, though? This is a motorbike one?
Oh, wait, this is also... Oh!
The motorbike.
They're different.
Yeah.
So that's robot, that's fish.
You gotta go to the motorbike one.
Oh my goodness. No wonder this is for children. Because millennials are stupid. So they want me to get... This piece. No.
All of them.
No.
Oh, wait, not all of them.
It's called 123L. Yeah, it's this piece.
Careful.
I am careful.
Don't rip it.
I've been doing arts and crafts since kindergarten. Or maybe it was first grade. The first thing we're going to do is the horn. Beep, beep. Richie. So start with this face down. Boom! The key to good toy construction is to crease firmly along the lines. It's literally just them showing me everywhere where you can fold it. I'm not gonna lie, having to like let go and hold this forward button kind of breaks the flow a little bit.
Well, do you want me to do it?
If you want to, yeah. So Tam goes right in there. Okay. The horn is complete!
Fold firmly along each of the fold lines, creasing them one by one. This will help your Toy-Con Motorbike turned out great.
Yay!
Making messes.
Flip it over.
Yep.
Got it.
Okay, so
Oh, I did it wrong. Got it. Use the little tab to lock the horn into place. Okay.
Aw, that's so cute.
Wait.
What? Did you do something wrong?
No. Oh, that part was first. Why do you want me to fail?
No, I don't, but...
There we go.
Okay,
Got
you
it.
ignore directions.
I got it. It won't make a sound yet, but try pressing the horn button.
Beep, beep.
Cool.
So you're done. This music reminds me of... I'm David Pumpkins.
Hi there. I'm David Pumpkins. Any questions? If you guys haven't seen it, YouTube... Well, all you gotta do is YouTube David Pumpkins, but it's an SNL sketch with Tom Hanks, and it's great. Alright, we're gonna switch the reins. I'm gonna let Tori take over for a little bit. My folding hands are getting tired. Alright, so if I hold forward after you're done doing this, you think you can keep up?
Probably not.
It's pretty easy. Flip it, yep. Now, first thing once you do is that one. Just fold them. There you go. Okay. That one, that one, that one. That whole thing. And then that little part.
Right here?
Mm-hmm. And then that little part. And that little part. That little part. And then that little part. And then that little part. Nice! We built ourselves a weird little box.
Oh, it's so cute.
Couldn't have said it better myself. This reminds me of pizza. Like the red and the cardboard.
Oh, yeah.
Fold it upside down, fold it in half.
It's done.
The left handlebar is complete.
That's the end of the first step. So you want to take a quick break here?
Yes, I'm gonna stretch my legs.
Okay.
Ugh.
I'm gonna go get my water.
Making the right handlebar. Remove 10 pieces from A and C. It wants this really long piece. And this little piece. We'll start with this piece, the brake and the ignition. Okay, start with this face down. It said 10 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, yeah.
Did you pop that part out? Oh, you don't need to.
It just kind of did it on its own.
Oh.
Oh my gosh! Yep. Oh, that's it?
What is that supposed to be?
Looks like a giraffe.
But what is it?
It's a giraffe.
Looks like a little lever.
It's the ignition switch.
Oh.
And now we get this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 ways of wasting my time. Okay. And let's get creasing. That's what it says. It's with 6 or 8
Don't
A's.
let up now. Put your heart and soul into those folds.
Yeah.
That's what she said.
That's what America's all about. Love their chicken from Popeyes. Oh, I see.
Let me fold that in there.
Got it.
Okay.
Ooh, this looks like a Pac-Man ghost. And then one little more. The other one?
What's the other one?
It's here somewhere. Check over there.
Is it in here?
It should be... losing it. Really, I don't know where it is.
I don't know.
Oh!
It's the bike,
For some reason I had it on the futon.
Tyler.
The useless futon! Hold on, I gotta remove some holes. Yeah.
And fold it in half.
Yeah, these look like little handcuffs.
Or little superhero eyeglasses. And then you put it over the Huh, okay. Oh, it lines it perfectly.
Oh my goodness. It's
So
like they made it on purpose.
The trick is to match up the line.
Dude,
obviously.
I'm already on
Put
it.
it all the way through.
I'm actually not. Okay. Yep, hold on. All the way through?
That's what it shows. Actually,
I look like Luna Lovegood from Harry Potter.
where's your other eye?
Oh,
Let me see.
It's there.
Oh. You fold it like, yeah.
Yeah.
Then you fold it the other way.
Uh-huh.
Then you fold that in
Yep,
half.
yep.
Fold those little ones in half.
Oh my goodness, they look like little shoes.
They do. Little boots.
Little booties.
And then you fold the other one.
Oh my gosh.
And
Let me guess. I knew it. Fingers are already
And the
waiting.
other
Let me
ones?
guess. Oh yeah.
And then that one.
Uh-huh.
And then the other one.
Mm-hmm.
And then the other one.
Uh-huh.
And then the other one.
Oh my gosh. And now
Probably
we can
the
build.
other one.
Oh my goodness.
And
Okay.
you gotta do that one.
Oh, I'm really trying. My fingers are too fat. Okay. Oh, it's kind of squishy. Bouncy, not squishy. Can you see the printed line on the handlebar on the box? Sure can. Looks like that.
Oh, that doesn't look like that in the picture. But
Yes, it
cool.
does. I'm perfect.
Alright.
Now we need some small rubber bands.
Oh, this is the hard
Look
part.
at all this garbage. That's easy.
Okay, so you get it?
Actually, that's not easy. My fat fingers are not going to be able to do this.
It won't come off my finger. There, okay.
Oh, you got it? See? That's why she's here. She got little tiny hands. The
That's
right
not so
handlebar
right.
is complete.
Let me see this.
I really want to like... Something flew out of there.
I
Okay.
guess it's fine.
Both of the handlebars are ready, but there's still a way to go. 3 out of 5, making the main body. Alright, I need more sheets.
Oh my god.
Right? That's what I'm saying. Look at all this garbage right here.
How many pieces are there?
So
Take those.
many,
So
literally,
this one.
so many. Damn, this one's huge.
I'm gonna sweep later, so don't mind me.
She means vacuum.
Sweep. Sweeper.
Alright,
That's one thing that we could ask him.
I'm having a poll in the top right corner. If you prefer a vacuum cleaner to be called a sweeper, or a sweeper to be called a vacuum cleaner, let us know up in that poll in the top right corner.
Sweeper.
Which I'm pretty sure it's that corner. Oh, you already moved everything. Knuckle toe.
Just asking me to do the same thing.
Oh, okay. Sorry, you just weren't there yet.
I knew what was happening.
She's psychic. She has ESPN,
I
everybody.
knew you were gonna say that.
Oh, the rubber bands are working.
Oh!
I know. Can you feel the rubber bands at work? Oh my god, that's exactly what I just said. Oh, look at all these folds. I'm not... Oh, son of a bitch. Oh, shit.
Did you break it?
No, it just... I didn't...
All the way down. That seems difficult.
It's awkward, for sure.
Flip it over.
One fold, thank goodness. Ha! As far as that worked.
Is it?
I feel like I'm right.
Yeah, because it's left and then.
So I take this, I put that there. Satisfying clicking noise. I'll take this, I put that there. Satisfying clicking noise. Then oh boy. Main body is complete. Sure feels like it. Making the tank and dashboard. You know, you need a dashboard when you're driving a motorbike in your living room. Wait, is this right?
This goes on top of that.
Yeah, but... Oh, the ignition's on that side. So it's upside down.
Yeah. Here, you're gonna break it. You're gonna break it.
I need a child! This is the first part that is not easy.
Let's see if I will.
Oh my goodness.
Little saucer.
You go and tell me that ain't a UFO.
Oh, so
Hey, I didn't see what just happened. Is that it? Oh, okay.
Yeah, but that's where this goes.
Oh, the switch?
Yeah.
Cool.
That makes sense. Okay.
We're about to start testing the bike now. Oh, we're done? Hey, what are you doing?
It just said undo it.
It's a perfect fit. Remember to
See? I did the right thing.
knuckle touch.
I don't know why it had us do that.
Sorry,
to put it in.
when I turn around and I just see something falling apart that I just built,
You shut up.
I get just a little nervous. I'm just gonna hit done.
Yeah, maybe it wasn't that.
The Toy-Con Motorbike is ready! The road is calling. Let's ride. I'm gonna play Mario Kart with this in another video, so subscribe to see that awesomeness. Ah! Going fast. We've done it. Create and race 3 Grand Prix courses. Pricks. Do some tricks and pricks. Woo! Alright guys, well, thanks for watching this video. Leave a comment down below on whether or not you've built the Labo and what your favorite creation has been thus far. Well, thanks for watching guys. I'll see ya.